You open your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly an hour is gone. This isn't by accident. It's designed to control you. This is the dark truth about social media. Social media is your digital casino. Likes, hearts, they trigger dopamine hits. It's not harmless, it's engineered addiction. Every scroll steals your focus, every ping eats your time. You're not wasting time, you're being drained by design. Constant notifications, instant gratification, they're reshaping your brain. Focus fades, reality feels dull, your mind is under attack. You feel connected, but you're alone. Likes aren't love, scrolling isn't living. We're drowning in followers, but starving for real connection. You think you're choosing what to see? Think again. Algorithms control your thoughts, your beliefs, your behavior. You're not the user, you're the product. But it's not too late. Put it down, step away, choose reality. Because once you see the trap, you can escape it. Your mind is the prize. Don't give it away. Like, share, and subscribe. Only if you choose to. Break free.